Day one, 0 users. I'm Miguel Ángel Romero. I'm the CEO and founder of Panbit. Panbit is an app, a habit tracker app, that is the only one in the market that allows users to put themselves a fee when they don't do their habits and to create a commitment log. We are practically the first ones. It's a great product, but this video series is about how we're trying to go from 0 users to 200 users. Today we are starting. So that's where we are, that's who we are. I'm here in my gym. I have been watching videos from marketing people that says you have to create content, you have to show yourself. So here I am in my gym at home at 5 in the morning, and I'm ready to start the day, and today is day one. So I thought here's the place to start today. And well, today the plan is very simple. We are going to share our app, my wife and me, with all our friends and all our coworkers, our family members, and we're gonna ask them to download it, and hopefully we're gonna ask them to press like and subscribe to our videos in all our social media pages. Before that, what we have done, we have a website, we have a blog in the website, we have created all our social media pages, but we have not posted nothing yet. So we are ready for this challenge of going from 0 to 200 users. And that's it. Every day I will post a video showing how we do and explaining what is our plans, what are we doing for it, and hopefully you guys like it. Please like and subscribe, I guess. And if you're a family member and you're watching this, yes, I know, I'm doing it. We'll see how it goes. Please like and subscribe, leave me a whatever. Have a great rest of your days, everybody. Bye.